Hi, I'm John Gretter, Managing Director of Mill Products for Delaware in North America. I am thrilled to announce the release of DM4Mill by Delaware. It's our groundbreaking cloud-based application extension of SAP's MES solution, Digital Manufacturing, or DM. This comes as a result of a global co-development agreement between SAP and Delaware. It seamlessly integrates with ECC or S4 through a BTP connector, providing unmatched visibility from the shop floor to the top floor. If you're looking for a way to position DM for success with your customers in 2025, I'd love the opportunity to connect at GTM.com in San Diego. Feel free to reach out to schedule an appointment.